Working for ASICS and working on products like Runkeeper have just been an awesome experience to help people discover the thing that I love so much. I went into college to be a math major. My freshman advisor told me I had to pass one CS course. I got 100%, and I was like, maybe I should go into computer science. This might be my thing. A lot of people think of developers as like people who sit down and like just write code. Our job every day is to come in and try and figure out how can we take what the business is trying to achieve and transform that into something that the customer can actually experience.
ASICS is a fitness service company and a manufacturer of performance fitness wear.
ASICS is actually a Latin phrase. It means a sound mind and a sound body.
I was a Runkeeper employee, and they acquired us. They wanted some help in the e-commerce space. Our COO came in and said, we need to migrate to this new e-commerce platform. We need you and your team to figure out how to do it. Yeah, it was definitely a small team, and we had to bring in a lot of pretty complex data, so product data, inventory data, pricing data. We realized that we didn't have the time or the resources to build it from scratch, so we all decided that we were going to learn Mulesoft to integrate all of the back-end systems that ASICS has with Commerce Cloud.
It was a really major project. Now we are a team of what, like more than 10 engineers?
Phil's always thinking about both our current state and ways he can improve the day-to-day, but he also understands where we need to be in 2025 or 2030.
He's a great mentor. He's someone that made it possible for the whole team to grow into the roles they want to be in.
It's been interesting to watch, I'll say, myself scale in that way. Having a task that we need to accomplish and being able to work with someone on accomplishing that, and then being able to jump over and help someone else with another problem that we're trying to solve. And then at the end of the week, you're seeing that 4 or 5 problems were solved as opposed to the one that I would have been able to do myself. I love working in a space where I'm helping people become a better version of themselves. I'm Phil Connaughton, and I'm a Trailblazer.